Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to add overlay to OBS Studio. Open your OBS Studio, then go to Sources, click plus. If it is animated and it is in your computer, you can add from media source. Select loop and browse that file, then hit OK. If it is image, go to image and do the same process. If you want to add overlay from any website, let's see from Stream Elements. Let's select any overlay and copy that link. Go to OBS Studio, hit plus, select browser, then paste that link and selecting resolution, hit OK. You can add also chat overlay by installing on 3D Pro. It will show you on 3D Pro chat. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.